يعني انتوا طلبتوا رد على استفسارات او رد على اسئله، وانا جاي اجاوب على الاسئله والاستفسارات.
كل اللايننج مهمه يا دكتور. الممبرينز اللايننج كلنا نحفظها.
طبعا انا ما عنديش ده ممنوع وده غير ممنوع، ما عنديش الكلام ده. هات وخلاص بقول هات اللي انتوا عاوزينه.
يا دكتور والله مره جميله الايام اللي لو
انا عارف والله
ايام
حتى ايام العمر جميله كمان.
يومين ما تيجي جميله.
ايوه حلال مو حلال. ايش اللي
انا لو رجعت السنه الجايه هبطل المراجعات. خلي الطلبه كسوله تعتمد على المراجعه وهكذا. هي خطا، انا مش مقتنع بيها.
هو لو في ايام كثير ما حنكون كسولين ولا نعتمد، بس يومين بمنهج قد كده
انا بخش في الكلام ده. لا سيبك من نرفض فيه. احنا عندنا حاجتين اللي هو البلاد فاسكولار والريسبيراتوري.
فكر زي الفاسكولار.
نمرة 1 في الامتحان 50 سؤال MCQ و5 أسئلة هتكتب فيه. بس انا محدد لك النقاط، يعني مش هخليك كده تقعد تسترسل وتكتب اللي انت عاوزه. لا، بتبقى مثلا 1 2 3 والواحد دي قدامها نقط والاثنين دي نقط 3 نقط وهكذا. فكاتب لك من MCQ 50 في واحد يبقى 50 درجة. What? In English, okay. But I am angry from you. Nigerian. You know. Okay, and you know.
بالفارس.
May not, but she know. Okay. I didn't discriminate between students according to nationality, but I hope do regulations during exams to prevent talking. And talking in between the students is not the right of students, because someone told me all the students talk during the exams. I told her, anyone talk, I move him. Okay, whatever. Respiratory system starts by الأسئلة الأول. 50 MCQ questions, each one will have 1 mark, and 5 complete questions. But the complete is at least 3 sentences, or mostly 3 sentences. The 3 sentences may deal with the structure of something or layers of something. So you have to write a complete sentence in each line. Each one with 6 marks. 6 marks. Yes, because MCQ have to be 70%, and disease, filling the blank for writing, has to be 30% of the exam. Take care. Each question 6 marks. Each MCQ 1 mark. Do I am clear? Because there was a fault in the first quiz. The field is you know the quiz of online. Each sentence to complete was 6 marks. Was calculated as 6 marks. They didn't tell us.
Just 1 point at 6 marks?
كده احنا اخذنا 36.
In the first quiz. 1 sentence or 1 word was 6 marks. Yes, I know, but nobody told me. I calculated according to 1 question. But I astonished. So take care. every question, and I wrote you 5 by 6 equals 30. So 5 questions, each one 6 marks. But if you do each one 1 mark. Okay, these are the equations. It starts by the nose. What is the nose starts by vestibule. What is the lining of the vestibule? You have to answer. What is the lining of vestibule? Okay, you have to know the lining of vestibule. Okay. The lining epithelium of the nasal cavity, how many types?
Olfactory.
Olfactory and respiratory. What is the type of respiratory epithelium?
Stratified squamous.
Epithelium with goblet cells. What is the type of olfactory epithelium forming of how many types of cells?
Testicular cells.
Pseudo-stratified colony.
3 types of cells. What are these 3 types of cells? Sensory cells and supporting cells or sustentacular cells and
basal
cells. Is there a nerve cell in the olfactory epithelium?
Yes.
Yes. The sensory cell is which type of nerve cell?
Pseudo-unipolar.
Bipolar nerve cell. Where you can find pseudo-unipolar nerve cells?
With dorsal ganglion.
Dorsal root ganglion. Where you can find the stellate-shaped nerve cells?
Stellate. Multipolar.
Anterior horn cortex of spinal cord.
Where you can find the stellate-shaped nerve cells? One of the slides of practical examples.
Anterior horn cortex.
Anterior horn cells. Anterior horn cells. Okay, what are the types of nerve cells? Do you know?
Multipolar, unipolar.
Multipolar, unipolar. So the unipolar.
From physiology, one with a large cell body and long axon, what we call this cell?
Multipolar.
Golgi type 1. And small nerve cells with small axon, we call it?
Golgi type 2.
Golgi type 2. Okay. We go down with the respiratory tract. What is the lining epithelium of trachea? Respiratory epithelium. Do the trachea contain cartilage? Yes, C-shaped cartilage. But because the trachea are jump with the larynx. Okay, what is the type of epithelium lining the larynx? On the fourth vocal cords and the true vocal cords.
False stratified squamous.
Fourth
Stratified squamous.
and the true
Stratified squamous non-keratinized.
or the reverse. Respiratory epithelium on the fourth vocal cords, but stratified squamous epithelium on the true, because there is contact, because they move and touch each other and there is contact, so they have to be covered by stratified squamous non-keratinized. Okay, what is the difference between, give me characters of bronchi. What are the characters of bronchi? Yeah. Characters of bronchi. What is the type of epithelium in bronchi? Respiratory epithelium. Respiratory epithelium. Okay. Do the epithelium contain secretory cells? What is the type of secretory cell present in respiratory epithelium?
Serum mucus.
Goblet cell. The goblet cell. What is about the epithelium lining for bronchioles? Is it pseudostratified or cell-based? Cell-based. How many types of cells in bronchioles? In the pre-terminal bronchioles, you will find goblet cells, right? But in the terminal and the respiratory bronchiole, you will find a respiratory cell, secretory cell. What is the type of secretory cell present in bronchioles? Clara cells. Clara cells. Okay? What's the function of Clara cells?
Secrete mucus.
Secrete what? Who secretes surfactant?
Pneumocyte type 2.
Pneumocyte type 2 lining what? Alveoli. But Clara cells secrete water in proteinaceous secretion containing protein. So what are the secretory cells present in the epithelium lining respiratory tract? Goblet cells in pseudostratified columnar. What else? Clara cells. What else? Pneumocyte type. Okay. What is the problem of respiratory distress? In a newborn baby, deficiency of which type of secretion? Surfactant, which is important for. Surfactant is important for what?
Remove depression.
Okay, it's for prevent collapse of alveoli during inspiration and facilitate inflation of alveoli during inspiration. Okay. What are the differences between bronchi and bronchioles?
Amount of cartilage.
Which doesn't have cartilage? Bronchiole. Is there another difference? There are three differences. What are these three differences between bronchi and bronchioles? No cartilage. No glands. No lymphatic nodules. Three no. No cartilage. No glands. No lymphatic nodules. What is that about the difference in the secretory cells?
What are the protonation of mucus?
Goblet cells in bronchi and Clara cells in bronchioles. Okay. What are the types of cells lining alveoli? Pneumocytes type 1 and pneumocytes type 2. Who share in the blood-air barrier? What do you call it? Do you call it blood-gas barrier or blood-air barrier?
Gas.
Air.
Blood-air barrier or blood-gas barrier? Whatever. blood-air barrier هو البلاد-gas barrier. ماشي، لان انا كنت بدرس في حته كده وبعدين قالوا لي جاز. قلت لهم ما يضرش، ما هو اكسجين بيخش وكربون دايوكسيد بيطلع وهي كلها غازات. بس مش هنا يعني. خلاص كده. طيب يبقى مين اللي مسؤول عن الريجنريشن بتاع السيلز لايننج البيولاين؟ طيب 2. What are the functions of type 2 pneumocytes?
Prevention of type 2
Secretion of what? What else?
Regeneration of type 1 and type 2.
Regeneration of what?
Type 1
and type 2 pneumocytes. Why we call respiratory? What are the sites of respiration or gas exchange in the lung? The sites where alveoli open into a space. What are these sites? We start by what? Respiratory bronchioles. And after respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts. And after alveolar ducts, alveolar cells. And finally, alveoli. Okay, who share in the blood-air barrier? The type 1 or type 2 pneumocytes? Type 1 pneumocytes. Okay. Who cleans the alveoli? Of dust or of bacteria? Or if there is red blood cells or there are blood cells in heart failure?
Microgen dust cell.
Dust cells or heart failure cells. What is the origin of these cells? Blood monocytes. Blood monocytes. Okay, what's around the lung? Pleural sac. Pleural sac. What is the lining epithelium of pleural sac? What is the lining epithelium of pleural sac? It is a serous sac. Lined by which type of epithelium? By what? Mesothelium. Mesothelium. What is the type of mesothelium? It is simple squamous or cuboidal or columnar. Simple squamous epithelium. Okay. What is the type of capillaries in the interstitial or interalveolar septum? Continuous capillaries, non-fenestrated capillaries. Okay? So, where you can find also continuous capillaries in the body, other than interalveolar septum? In skeletal muscles? Yes. In connective tissue? Yes. Okay. Where you can find the fenestrated capillaries? And what are the types of fenestrated capillaries? Do you play or you write, Muhammad? You write or you play?
Of course.
تسمعني.
مسجل نوت في الجوال. مسجل نوت.
You play. ها؟
تضحك يا اخوي.
ها؟ ما هي what are the types of fenestrated capillaries? Do the fenestrae can be covered by something? Diaphragm. So what are the types of blood capillaries? Fenestrated capillaries.
With the without.
Fenestrated with diaphragm and non-fenestrated. Fenestrated with diaphragm and fenestrated without diaphragm. Where you can find it fenestrated with diaphragm? Intestine or endocrine gland. شاطرة والله. بتقري. Where you can find it fenestrated without diaphragm? الورقة واحدة. فين بقى؟ One side. Kidney, which part of the kidney? Capillaries. Where you can find these capillaries? In the glomerulus. Glomerulus of the renal corpuscle. Now we move to vascular. Okay, vascular. What are the three layers forming the wall of blood vessels?
Tunica,
intima, media, and then indicia. What are the components of the tunica intima? What? This is the lumen. This is the lumen. Contain blood. What is the tunica intima is formed of? What is the lining of epithelium or the lining epithelium for blood vessels? Endothelium. What is present under endothelium? Sub what? Sub-endothelium. Sub-endothelium what? Lymphatic tissue or what? Connective tissue. Under epithelium there has to be connective tissue. In arteries and not in veins. What is the third component of tunica intima? Internal elastic lamina. Okay. Which layer is the largest in aorta? Media. And it is characterized by the presence of elastic fibers and elastic lamina. Okay. What is about the sixth layer in inferior vena cava or large vein? Adventitia. What is the adventitia of inferior vena cava characterized by? Bundles. Bundles of what? running in which direction? Circular, as in the media, or longitudinal? In a longitudinal direction. Okay. Which type of blood vessels contain valves?
Veins.
Veins. And what is the structure of valves? A fold of intima. A fold of intima. Okay. Who nourishes the wall of blood vessels? From the outer side or from the inner side? Where you can find the vasa vasorum? In adventitia. And they give small branches to the media. So vasa vasorum are small blood vessels found mainly in the adventitia. Okay. Give me a name of blood vessel in which the media is reaching smooth muscle. The type of blood vessel.
Medium-sized artery.
Huh?
Medium-sized artery.
Artery. Which type of artery? Large artery?
Muscular. Medium-sized.
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 Medium-sized artery. The media is reaching smooth muscles in medium-sized arteries, while a large artery, they form a small percentage because the largest percentage was occupied by elastic fibers and elastic lamina. Okay, what are the types of portal circulation? What do you mean by portal circulation?
Portal. Hepatic.
What do you mean by portal circulation? Portal circulation is a connection. It's forming of two sets of capillaries. Connected by what? Arterial blood vessel or a venous blood vessel. Okay? So, when the two capillary beds are connected by a vein or venule, we call it what? Venous portal circulation. If the two sets of capillaries are connected by arteriole or arterial venous circulation. Where you can find the arterial venous circulation in the body? Arterial. Where مش عارفه تطلعيها في الكدني. في الكدني لقيتيها؟ بتلاقيها في الكدني. لكن الفينس بورتال سيركوليشن تبقى موجوده في اماكن اخرى. ماشي؟ خلاص انا قلت اللي عندي. ده ملخص للمين الفاسكولار والسبيرالجي. خلاص. وطبعا ما سبق انتوا عندكم فكره كويسه عنه لان انا عملت فيه مراجعات. اتفقنا؟ انا ممكن اسالك سؤال. السؤال ده ممكن احدفك يمين واجيبه شمال. خلاص؟ فالناس اللي هي قاعده في البيت، وتعتمد على التصوير يكونوا حذرين. انا ممكن انبهك على نقطه بس انا بجيب لك اللي انا ما بقولوش في النقطه. ماشي؟ عشان الناس اللي قاعده في البيت ومستنيه. خلاص؟ مع تمنيات لكم جميعا بالتوفيق. Excuse me. I will tell you something, and this something has two sides. One on the right side and the other on the left side. I will talk about the right side and leave the left side, which will come in the exam. Okay? So, take care of the point generally, not the sentence. Okay? I am clear. And the exam will not be tough. But I put one or some questions for the excellent students. And every exam has to contain some points for the excellent students. But I will not make a disaster. No, I will not make a disaster. I actually finish the exam and it is ready. Yes. Yes. لا في الرايتنج وفي الام سي كيو، واحد في الرايتنج والثلاثة أربعة في الام سي كيو. يعني مثلا 6 درجات من 80 ولا 10 درجات من 80. 10 marks out of 80. The lazy students at least will lose these 10 marks. Okay? But if you please, don't forget to look to the PowerPoint. Don't forget to look to the PowerPoint. And every point I spoke about, completely you have to know it. Completely, and not the point that a small part, the small part of the point. I'm clear or not clear? Okay? Any question? Good luck.